Hey everyone, it's Chris Grenier. We just got back from Patrician Cir in Kissimmee. It's a 3-2, 2,000 square feet, built in 2005, paver driveway, needs a simple cosmetic rehab, and you're good to relist this. Model matches just sold for $210,000 and $219,000, with a model match comp in there for sale right now for $238,900. This is a home run deal. Fix it, flip it quickly, make a good profit. It's in Brighton Lakes community, gated community with swimming pool, tennis court, basketball court, beautiful entrance, all that good stuff. It's gonna sell fast, so jump on it while you can.